The Goliath Goli was one of the most distinctive light commercial vehicles produced in post-war Europe. Manufactured from 1955 to 1961 by the Goliath division of Borgward in Bremen, it represents both the ingenuity and limitations of three-wheeled transport during a period of economic reconstruction. The origins of the vehicle trace back to Karl Borgward, who founded Goliath in 1928. After World War II, Germany faced severe material shortages, which made small, efficient vehicles essential. Goliath resumed production in 1949 with three-wheelers like the GD 750. The Goliath Goli emerged in 1955 as an improved successor, designed to offer greater payload capacity and better usability for small businesses. Technically, the Goli was simple but purposeful. It used a two-cylinder, two-stroke engine with 493.5 cubic centimeters displacement, producing about 17 horsepower. Early versions were air-cooled, but overheating issues led to the introduction of a water-cooled engine in 1957. The vehicle had rear-wheel drive and a 4-speed manual gearbox without synchronization, requiring skillful operation. Its top speed reached only 70 kilometers per hour, about 43 miles per hour, reflecting its role as a city delivery vehicle rather than a long-distance transporter. Structurally, the Goli featured a ladder-frame chassis and an all-steel cab for 2 occupants. It was available as a flatbed truck or enclosed van, with payload capacities ranging from 750 to 950 kilograms, approximately 1,653 to 2,094 pounds. Despite a relatively low center of gravity, the three-wheel layout made it prone to instability in sharp turns, a major drawback compared to four-wheeled competitors. Production remained limited, with only 9,904 units built. By the late 1950s, the market increasingly favored more stable and powerful four-wheeled vehicles from manufacturers like Mercedes-Benz and Volkswagen. The decline of three-wheelers, combined with Borgward's financial collapse in 1961, ended production of the Goli. It became the last three-wheeled commercial vehicle produced in Germany. Today, the Goliath Goli survives as a rare collector's item. Enthusiast groups maintain registries and restore remaining units despite parts scarcity. A preserved example can be seen at the Deutsches Museum, highlighting its historical importance. The Goliath Goli symbolizes a transitional era in automotive history, when practicality, economy, and resource constraints shaped design. Its legacy reflects both creative engineering solutions and the inevitable shift towards safer, more versatile vehicle concepts.